Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll walk you through the process of applying for a loan online with GoTyme Bank in the Philippines. First, open your GoTyme Bank app and log into your account. Ensure your account is fully verified and in good standing. Next, on the app's main dashboard, look for a Borrow or Loans section. This is where you'll start your application. Then, tap on it to see the available loan offers. GoTyme will show you a pre-qualified loan amount, interest rate, and terms based on your account history. Review these carefully. After that, if you agree with the terms, select the loan offer and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll need to enter the desired loan amount within your pre-approved limit and confirm the repayment period. Finally, you will need to electronically sign the loan agreement. Once submitted, the funds are typically disbursed quickly to your GoTyme savings account. Always borrow responsibly and ensure you understand the repayment schedule and total cost of the loan. If this guide helped you access funds with GoTyme, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.